Ready to take your RC adventures off-road? These Truggies deliver speed, control, and fun like never before. The high-boxing 18859 RC Truggy immediately caught my attention with its rugged design and affordable price. It's built with durable materials that can handle some serious rough terrain, which is perfect if you enjoy off-road racing without worrying about constant repairs. The battery life is decent enough to keep the fun going for a good stretch, and the controls feel intuitive even if you're new to RC vehicles. What really stands out is how smoothly it handles bumps and jumps, giving a satisfying driving experience that feels much more expensive than it actually is. Have you ever wanted a Truggy that's ready to hit any dirt track without breaking the bank? This one fits that role perfectly. The LVC DRC Truggy is a solid contender in the affordable RC world, and what struck me first was its sleek design paired with a surprisingly strong chassis. It feels sturdy in hand, and once on the track, it proved to be responsive and fun to drive. The control range is good for casual outdoor play, and the setup was straightforward right out of the box. Driving it gives you that authentic Truggy sensation, good shock absorption, and the ability to tackle uneven surfaces without losing momentum. Isn't it great when a budget-friendly toy feels like a pro-level model? This one comes pretty close. The Wearchi RC Truggy stands out with its high-quality build and impressive speed capabilities. From the moment I tested it, I noticed how well-balanced and powerful it felt, making it perfect for those who want more than just a casual drive. Its suspension system handles jumps and bumps with ease, giving you confidence even on the toughest terrains. The design is sleek, yet robust, and the battery lasts long enough to enjoy extended sessions without constant recharging. Have you ever wondered what it's like to have a Truggy that combines speed and durability seamlessly? This model answers that question perfectly. If there's a downside, it's that the price is a bit higher, but it reflects the quality and performance you get in return. The Bezgar UJ99RC Truggy surprised me with how much fun you can have at such a low price point. Its compact size and lightweight build make it perfect for quick maneuvers and indoor play, while still offering enough power for outdoor use on smooth surfaces. The controls are simple and responsive, making it ideal for beginners or kids. What I liked most was how easy it is to charge and get back on the road, which means less downtime and more playtime. Don't we all want an RC Truggy that's hassle-free and ready to roll anytime? This little beast fits that description well. Of course, it's not designed for extreme off-roading or high speeds, so if you're looking for rugged performance, this might not be your best pick. The Bezgar RC Lambo Aventador is quite a unique pick in this list, since it's a Truggy with a clear nod to the iconic Lamborghini style, making it a real eye-catcher. I appreciated how it combines sleek sports car aesthetics with the ruggedness of a Truggy, giving you a blend of style and off-road capability that's hard to find. Performance-wise, it's nimble and quick enough for casual racing and offers decent control on various surfaces. Don't you love having an RC car that looks as cool as it drives? This model nails that vibe perfectly. However, it's not the toughest Truggy on the market, so if you're planning to challenge rocky or muddy terrains frequently, it may show some wear faster. The Truggy RC Truggy impressed me right away with its powerful motor and advanced suspension system. It feels like a pro-level machine designed for those who take their RC racing seriously. The build quality is solid, and it can handle rough terrain with surprising ease, keeping stability and speed throughout the ride. Driving this Truggy gives you a real adrenaline rush, thanks to its quick acceleration and agile handling. Isn't that what every RC enthusiast dreams of? The Truggy delivers it with style and consistency. On the flip side, its price is on the higher end, which might not suit casual users or beginners. The high-boxing 16890 RC Truggy is a powerhouse that combines toughness and speed in one sleek package. What struck me was how well-engineered it feels. The chassis is sturdy, the suspension absorbs shocks smoothly, and the controls respond instantly to every command. It's clear this Truggy was built with serious off-road performance in mind. The battery life supports longer sessions, so you won't be cutting your fun short anytime soon. Have you ever wanted a Truggy that matches the intensity of your adventurous spirit? This one fits perfectly. The only minor drawback is that its size might be a bit much for small indoor spaces, so it's better suited for outdoor use.